all, please don't spray me. And this is our first time pitching.
Okay.
And
By the way, thank you for the reminder.
The world's pigments in inks at the moment are mostly carbon-based and they're carbon negative. So the problem statement is, how do you create a solution that is going to be sustainable? The market size at the moment is 24 billion with a year-on-year growth of 3% approximately. But the organic subsegment for this industry is going to grow 36% in the next 10 years. So that's where we come in, and we invented pink ink, which is algae-based pigments and inks to save the planet. Why? Because algae is cheap, sustainable, and is easy to grow in the UK, where actually is Europe is the market with the least population on the market. Sorry. Yes. So the reason why we created this is for a greener tomorrow that can be more sustainable.